don't forget to subscribe. Electric Flying Taxi, by Vertical Aerospace. Earlier this summer, Vertical Aerospace tested their electric flying taxi, completing its first flight ever. Weighing a total of 750 kilograms, the aircraft features 4 rotors, and can carry between 2 and 4 passengers. It has a range of 93 miles, and a top speed of 186 miles per hour. The company says that it aims to launch the air taxi service by 2022. But wants to do it with onboard pilots, in order to abide with aviation regulations. Rubik's Cube 3-second solver. Mike Thomas has built a high-speed quad-arm robot from scratch. It can solve the Rubik's Cube in about 3 seconds. Designed and built in China, the robot took Thomas about 3 years to complete. It solves the cube 1.7 seconds faster than the current human record of 4.74 seconds. Self-driving motorcycle, by BMW. BMW built this self-driving motorcycle in order to test and develop new safety systems. These safety features are aimed at supporting inattentive drivers. The bike took 2 years to develop and is only for testing purposes. Interactive projections. In this art installation, effects were controlled by individuals, using real-time motion tracking sensors. These are live interactions without any post-production. HRP-5P, the humanoid construction robot. The robot aims to replace heavy-duty human labor. It was created as a response to Japan's labor shortage. The robot can carry out various construction tasks, such as picking up plaster boards and screwing them onto the wall. Microlino, the electric microcar. The bubble car has been reinvented and electrified. The 2-seater car can be recharged at any conventional power socket. Like the original, the front door design lets the driver and passenger exit and step straight onto the sidewalk. The 8-kilowatt battery pack provides 80 kilometers of range, while the larger 14.4-kilowatt battery pack should be good for 215 kilometers. It does 0 to 50 kilometers per hour in 5 seconds. And can reach a top speed of 90 kilometers per hour, equal to 56 miles per hour. Pokémon for HoloLens by Bully Entertainment. Bully Entertainment has created a mixed reality version of their Pokémon demo. It features a multiplayer mode and card scanning. It merges the two classic Pokémon playstyles into one interactive experience. Self-solving Rubik's Cube. Most Rubik robots require the cube be placed in a specially designed cradle, bristling with actuators and sensors. But here, everything is built into the cube itself. More impressively, it is now the same dimensions as a standard Rubik's Cube. It originally started off much bigger, by the Japanese creator, Human Controller. Soda Pop, the soda bottle speaker. Oslo-based studio, Permafrost, created a mini speaker designed to solve the main problem for small portable speakers. The Soda Pop connects to any suitable plastic bottle to generate as much as 10 decibels of extra bass. If you don't have a soda bottle handy, you can attach its own bottle-shaped carrying case. Soda Pop features two full-range 4-watt speakers, and a passive bass membrane in the center of the speaker, that gives the bottle an extra kick. Gaming Haptic Suit, by Hardlight. This gaming haptic vest is strong enough to simulate a punch, and precise enough to feel the lightest taps of rain. It has 16 unique haptic feedback zones, and features advanced in-game body tracking. You can also switch to audio mode for haptic feedback generated by the audio signal. Although the most advanced haptic suit at the moment, they will shut down soon if they don't secure additional funding. Solar-powered yacht by Solar Impact. This solar-powered yacht has the ability to cruise the entire globe without needing to stop and refuel. The 78-foot electric boat features a giant solar array, which covers the boat's top, generating up to 320 kilowatts on a sunny day. For cloudier days, there is a pair of 65-kilowatt diesel engines on board, as a backup. Additionally, the 800-kilowatt battery provides 10 hours of cruising capability. The interiors of the yacht were designed for long stays on board, with luxurious living areas, and spacious cabins. This 70-ton luxury yacht is for cruisers who want to travel further, without sacrificing comfort, elegance, and cutting-edge tech. Interactive sand, using augmented reality. system allows users to create topography models by shaping real sand. It works by detecting changes on the sand's surface. These changes dictate what features are projected onto the sand.